Duh. That's a no-no. We have to change that. Undo. And the way they'll change it it's not clear, but this is what I do. Instead of taking it from the very beginning of the paragraph, I take it one word in. Instead of going to the very end of the paragraph, I take it in at the word before the last word in a paragraph. Then paste it. It's got the correct formatting, and then get rid of the extra that we don't need. This doesn't have a period, so get rid of that period. And join us in there twice. And there it is.